Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at a car and thought, wow, that thing could outclass my neighbor's Tesla just by existing? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the buttercream dream that is the 1949 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Convertible Coupe. This car doesn't just whisper elegance, it croons it like Frank Sinatra at a New Year's party in Havana. Now, before we get too romantic about fender skirts and chrome, make sure to subscribe, where vintage cars, modern campers, and questionable omelets coexist in beautiful chaos. Smash that button like you're trying to start a cold carbureted engine in February. All right, let's break down this rolling time capsule. Under the hood of the 1949 Styleline Deluxe Convertible Coupe, you'll find a 3.5-liter 216-square-inch inline-six engine, pumping out a thunderous, let's say charming, 90 horsepower. It's mated to a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter, so nostalgic it might make your uncle cry. I believe this powertrain was the automotive equivalent of a stiff cocktail, smooth, classic, and just powerful enough to get you into a little trouble. Now, starting in 1950, Chevy introduced the 3.9L 235 cubic inches Inline-Six with 105 horsepower, a noticeable boost that I think gave it more highway confidence, and maybe helped it outrun your buddy's post-war Plymouth when it mattered. The Styleline itself was the notchback variant of the lineup, which means it has that defined trunk line, unlike the swoopy fastback fleet lines. This convertible coupe version? Absolute showstopper. Inside, bench seats that feel like grandma's couch. Not in the musty way, but in the, wow, I could nap here and forget I ever had lower back pain kind of way. There's a deluxe dashboard, a full clock, which I think still runs on leftover jazz energy, an optional radio that back then was basically the internet. Curb weight? Around 3,300 pounds, 1,497 kilograms. Original MSRP? Somewhere near $42,000 USD. And hey, if you want to help us keep chasing legends like this on four wheels, become a sponsor of CampAvto for just $1. That's less than what my friend Carl spends on polishing cloths for his lawnmower. The link's in the description under the video. Click it before someone parks a Prius in your soul.